We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Probably one of the biggest names in Hakka pop music is Wu Shenzhi. Born in 1944 in Dahu in Miaoli County, Wu led the Sunshine Band, Yangguang Hechangtuan, as guitarist and lead singer. At first, the band only played covers of popular Western hits, but in the early 1980s, Wu realized that a Western rock approach could be transposed to his native Hakka after hearing contemporary cantopop hits via Hong Kong movies. He began working with the revolutionary Hakka vocalist Lü Jingshou. The two produced the groundbreaking album Wu Yuan, or Not Destined, released in 1981. An overnight success, the album shot Wu to stardom, and he became the first Hakka artist to perform on popular television variety shows. The title song, which tells how lovers miss each other after separation, is tinged with sadness and was later incorporated into Cloudgate Dance Troupe's piece My Nostalgia, My Songs, and performed many times at home and abroad. Just before he released two more Hakka pop songs, Wu's career was abruptly cut short when he was killed in a car accident in 1983. A brilliant musician and lyricist, Wu is heralded as a pioneer in Hakka pop music. His influence is still felt 20 years after his death. Hello everyone, this is Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
大家好, welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day. Alice, sorry, 有点微醺，有点醉醉的。I love drinking red wine. It's really nice.
葡萄酒。
如果有人在喝葡萄酒的时候，要问他说这个葡萄酒好不好喝，那怎么说？
两个葡萄酒。
这个葡萄酒嘛，对不对？
好啉嘛。
好啉嘛，就是好不好喝的意思。
对。
好喝就是好啉。
Yeah.
Right? 那如果不好喝的话是
唔好啉。
唔好啉啊。那如果说是太甜太酸呢？
太酸了。
太酸了 ，too sour. Okay.
太甜了。
太甜了 ，too sweet. Let's review that one more time right here. And also in English, I'm asking Alice if that bottle of red wine tastes good. 要怎么说？
两个葡萄酒好啉嘛。
两个葡萄酒好啉嘛。那 if it tastes good,
好啉。
好啉。If it doesn't taste good,
唔好啉。
唔好啉。And if the reason it doesn't taste good is because it's too sweet, 太甜的话。
太甜了。
太甜了。然后如果太 sour, 太酸了。If it's too sour,
太酸了。
太酸了。All right, I'm gonna go back to my bottle of wine right here, and don't drink and drive, okay? My name is Joseph Lin.
什么太假？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.